Hello everyone, my name is Szymon Rybczak and I'm 17 years old React developer at Callstack. And today we are at React Native EU conference that is happening here in Wrocław. I'm happy because today with me is Thibault. And could you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Thibault. I've been working with React Native for the past 5 to 6 years now. And it's been a crazy ride from like discovering everything to like doing open source and coming to conferences.
It's quite a long time. What makes you come back to React Native? To React Native EU, sorry.
Yeah, I love coming to React Native Europe because it allows me to meet new people and also to meet the people I work with online like all year long, all the contributors, and meet people who use libraries that I maintain. And now, because I'm part of the release crew,
we'll talk about this later.
Okay.
So what are your impressions of this year's conference?
This year looks to me like it's the biggest conference yet. There's a lot of people. It's very well organized.
Thanks to Barbara and her
it's
team.
great.
Which talk do you like the most?
It's only been a few talks, so I don't have a favorite. But because I really like watching every talk and seeing all the different approaches that each speaker has to like all the subject. Like it could be subjects that are super close, but different angles, different way to make jokes, different ways. Because when I'm on stage, I'm not that confident, and so seeing everyone with his own way of like surviving to being on stage is super fun to me.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the live demos that Tommy and Lorenzo showed the demo, and it worked.
And that's so first year when I came here, I was doing a lightning talk, which was 10 minutes. And I tried doing a live release of WebView, which I was maintaining. And so I was doing the live thing, and it didn't fail, but it didn't succeed in time because CircleCI was too slow to deploy. And so my build was just hanging. And so everything worked fine, but it was too slow for the 10-minute slots. So I know how it can go.
It happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's stressful to create a live demo.
It's stressful, but it's fun. We're here like to meet people, to like fail and to learn from each other. So that's a good exercise.
How would you describe React Native EU 2023 or React Native EU in general in one sentence?
I think React Native EU is the best place to meet other React Native developers, share your experiences, and learn from others' mistakes.
That's true. That's totally true. Totally agree. And so you mentioned that you are maintaining React Native WebView. You're also part of release crew. You are contributing to React Native Core. So how did this all started?
It all started because I love debugging stuff and I love upgrading stuff. And usually when you upgrade stuff early, you get the bugs. And so I was upgrading React Native. I got some issues. I fixed it. I made pull requests. And at the time, it was Lorenzo who got me into like a Slack where people were contributing more, and I was discussing with everyone. And then I started. I needed my own fork of WebView at the time because we had to like have some fixes, and it was still part of the React Native core. And so when they extracted it as part of the lean core efforts, they were looking for some maintainers. And so I paired with Jamin from InfiniteRed. And we did this expression together, and now I'm maintaining the WebView. It's been 4 years and a lot of fun and a lot of tears.
Working on an open source project is pros and cons of everything, but it's fun because like you can join this community.
Exactly. For me, I don't get paid to do open source, but I'm able to come here and discuss with everyone. That's worth to me.
Exactly. And you're the part of the release crew. Are you for the Open 73 or?
Yeah, I'm in the release crew for 073. So we have a target cut date at the end of the month, and we'll see how it goes. I was already on the 71 crew, the one who broke React Native for everyone, as Nicola said.
Yeah, you need to check it out. Check the talk from Nicola. And he described how how you guys broke with React Native, but they fixed in a few days. So yeah. And what are your tasks on a daily basis?
When you're part of the crew, you're here to you're not here to make the pull request, make changes to code. You're here to test everything, cherry pick pull requests, like make sure everything works and synchronize people and test before releasing and communicate with everyone. It's more a job like of talking to everyone and making sure everything is ready and you're not coding that much.
I'm watching this GitHub issues that they are picking the comments, and yeah, a lot of work, but you are doing very, very great work, and that we can all consume React Native.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks everyone for listening. Today with me was Thibault Titos, and yeah, I can't wait to see you all guys in React Native EU 2024. Thank you for listening.
If you liked what you've just heard, check out more of the conference content. Follow us on social media, subscribe to our newsletter, and see you at React Native EU 2024.